So for task 3, we have to extend our deployment workshop to dockerize our Node.js app, simple Node.js app, and have it exposed on different blue or green containers using the post receive hook. So first of all, we will have the local registry running using this command. So same thing what we did in our workshop. So if I say this in the PS, I will have the local registry running already. Next is we have our post commit hook being written that whenever the commit happens, just build a machine, build a NCSU app. So this is the contents of these are the contents of my Docker file. It will basically just build a CentOS machine. So I have created this CentOS machine with the npm pre-installed on it because it takes a lot of time every time to run npm. Next, it will copy the source code in the app folder, and it will run the npm install, and it will expose the output of npm install on the 8080 port. So that's our Docker file. I have a deploy folder in which we have this bare repositories blue.git and green.git. So whose post receive hook file looks like this. So in the blue post receive, we have our it will pull the image which we push in the post commit on the last line. It will pull that localhost 5000 in CSU latest tag image. It will stop the blue app if it is already there. It will remove the blue app container, and it will run the latest one into the blue app container. Same goes for the green one. So blue app is exposing its contents on the 8080 port, and green is exposing its contents on the 9090 port. So my main.js currently looks like this. So let's say if I change something, uh, go green, and if I go inside my repository and I see git status, I have a couple of files modified. I do git commit with the go green. So I see that post commit hook is running. It is building my taking up my CentOS image from the registry, from the Docker Hub registry, I suppose, and then running up and pushing it this image to the local repository, local registry, localhost 5000. So it might take some time because localhost 5000 in CSU image, I just deleted it. So once this image is pushed, I will run the blue post receive, blue git post receive hook and green post receive hook depending on where I push the code on which branch. So in the new terminal, we can see that I have couple of remote branches. So in the blue, I have specified the blue.git address, and in the green, I have specified the green.git address. And once this push is finished, we will once this push image is finished, we will push our contents to the blue or green remote repo. So it is taking some time. I'll pause the video in between. So the image has been pushed, the post commit file has been run now. If I see git status is done, and I'll run the remote -v, and I'll push it to the blue remote. So initially on the blue, which is on 8080 port, I don't see anything, but now since it is pushed, it will have the blue app container running, and the contents would be seen on the 8080, but not on the 9090. So if I push to the green one, I'd be able to see it on the 9090 as well. Now if I make some changes, go blue this time, and I commit it, it will again run the post commit script. It will build the image, then it will push the image to the registry, and once it is done, this happened this time. It happened pretty fast. Now if I push it to the blue one, so it will stop the existing blue app container, it will pull the latest image, it will run the new blue app container. And if we see the docker ps, we will have 3 containers running. One is registry, one is blue app, and green app. So if I see the link for the blue, which is 8080, I'll see go blue this time, but not for 1990. 1990 still shows the old one because I haven't pushed it. So that goes our third task.